In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view members in your Gmail group. Let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Google account. This is essential, as you'll need access to your Gmail and Google contacts to proceed. Once you're logged in, head over to the Google Contacts page. You can do this by simply typing contactsgoogle.com into your browser's address bar and hitting Enter. This will take you to the main interface where all your contacts are stored. Now that you're on the Google Contacts page, you should see a menu on the left side. Look for the section labeled Labels. If you've created groups before, you might see some of your existing groups listed here. If this is your first time, the group might be under a label or tag. Click on the specific label or group name that you're interested in. This action will bring up a list of all members within that group. At this point, you might be wondering about adding or removing contacts from this group. Let's quickly go over this. If you want to add a new contact to this group, click on the Manage Labels icon located at the top. Then select Add to Label from the drop-down menu. A list of your contacts will appear. Check the boxes next to the contacts you'd like to add. And finally, click Apply to confirm. It's as simple as that. Alternatively, if you're looking to remove contacts from the group, find the contact name you'd like to remove from the group list. Click on it, and in the detailed view, locate the Manage Labels button again. Uncheck the group label you want them removed from and click Apply. This will update the group membership immediately. It's important to remember that your groups in Google Contacts are dynamic. They can grow or shrink as you add or remove members and will be automatically updated across all your devices where your Google account is synced. This means any changes you make on one device will reflect everywhere else. This is a neat feature that simplifies managing contacts across multiple devices. Lastly, if navigating through all these steps seems tedious, Google offers an intuitive search function at the top of the Contacts page. You just need to type the group name, and it will quickly bring it up. This is especially useful if you have numerous labels and need to access a specific one. And there you have it. Viewing and managing members of your Gmail group is as easy as these few steps. With these instructions, you can effectively keep track of your contact groups. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to explore additional features in Google Contacts for more organizational tools.